Welcome to a quick lesson in SUNO regarding how to transpose a song. We got a question from Mohit today, so we're going to jump into SUNO and I'll show you how to do this. So you go to whatever song you want. Over here to the right, you have these three dots. You click on those three dots and then you hit Remix/Edit, Open in Studio. Click on Open in Studio, and of course, Sunno Studio will open up. After Sunno Studio has opened up that song, you'll be able to transpose it very simply. So here's the song. Let's listen to the song one more time, all the way back to the beginning. So that's the song. If you want to transpose, just click on this waveform and go to clip. And when you are in clip, right over here, you see these options: transpose, speed, and so on. So I'm going to play a bit of the song, and then you're going to see when I move it up one, that moves it up a semitone. So assuming it was on C, if you go one up, you're going to C sharp. If you go one up, you're going to D. If you go one up, you're going to D sharp, and so on. So check it out. Let's transpose it up. Let's transpose it up again.
I will celebrate, give thanks with a grateful heart.
Yeah, it just went up.
Jesus our Lord has come to die.
Down again.
Celebrate with a
Original
grateful
key.
heart.
You can also speed it up.
You can add more ideas here if you have them to continue the song.
So
Give
that was double the speed. So you can really mess around with these controls. Let me zoom out so that you can see what I'm doing. So once you have the waveform selected, the idea is that you can do a number of things. Change the tempo. As you can see, let's make it bigger. You can change the tempo. You can transpose it. You can change the speed. You can transpose it up or down. Let's see how far it goes. Should go up to at least 12. Okay, it keeps going. It keeps going up, but you don't, I mean, realistically speaking, maybe up 12 or down 12, depending. But if you go too far up, then it starts sounding very odd. But anyway, you know what to do. Those of you who are into this kind of stuff, the key is to click on that clip. All right, you got to click on that clip, and then you've got track, which is more for the EQing, and I've featured that on the channel. You can adjust the waveform, more bass, less bass, more punch, less punch, make things more subtle, you know, round out some of these frequencies depending on what you're trying to achieve. But if you really want to change the pitch, you want to transpose it, then you got to come in here, and then you got to use the transpose button. Okay, I hope that helps, Mohit. All the best. Have fun creating, and bye for now.